If you want to set up face recognition or face unlock on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Next, in the settings we need to scroll down a little bit and choose lock screen and AOD, and then go to screen lock and biometrics. Over here we need to enter our password if we already have this set up. If not, then first you will need to set up the password. You will need to create the screen lock password to be able to use biometrics. And once you have it, then we can go to face recognition. And then here we need to press continue to start scanning. Over here we have a small instruction how to register, how to add face data, and then we can press register. We will open the front camera, and now we need to position our face in the frame. If you wear glasses, you might need to take them off as well. And once we are done, you will find face recognition settings, so be sure to check them out. Some of them are actually quite useful to turn on and off actually. For example, over here we have stay on lock screen until swipe, which I think we can disable. Besides that, we can remove face data over here and add alternative appearance to enhance recognition. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.